All right, what is up, Jits? So, um, I was thinking of video ideas for my next video, and had a great idea of doing sort of like a kind of like a full, um, kind of like a almost. It's not a day in the life, but it's like sort of like of what I do to kind of take good trades or sometimes take bad trades. Some people don't really always take good trades. Um, so, uh, yeah, so I'm gonna map out some draw some liquidity and what I do to predict where price is going. Like, I'm going to show you guys what I do. So today is Sunday, Sunday the 8th, 2024. To what I'm going to do for pre-market is I'm just going to mark out stuff. And if it goes past this, sweeps it, does whatever, it kind of just shows me on what I'm looking for tomorrow. So anyways, just looking at this is just giving me a headache, bro. Like, what is this? So, let's mark some highs and lows here. Kind of just helping me map out stuff. High and a low. So this was broken. So, right now I know that price is sort of just going to kind of want to push up. High and low. So this right here, right? If this gets broken past, then I probably will assume price is going to want to go and chase these. So I want these three to get broken for a bullish market structure for tomorrow. And for a bearish, I'm going to want price to break this because it's a low. Sorry. Wait, what? A low and a high. So price right here. Yeah. So I want it to break past this to be bearish. So sorry, I kind of just confused myself there. So these up here I'll mark it a different color. Up here are for bullish, right? If they push past those, it's gonna be bullish. This down here is bearish, right? So if it breaks past this, it's probably gonna be bearish unless it sweeps down here. So that's the 4 hour. So now I'm gonna go to 1 hour because I go high to low because higher time frame has higher power. As you can see, on the 1 hour, a fair value gap was just formed. So kind of just shows me something, and price is probably going to want to push up to these right here overnight. But I'm not totally sure. That's what I'm just assuming. Before I go to school tomorrow, I'm going to get up and kind of just map out pre-market and show you guys what I'm looking for today or tomorrow. Sorry. Let's go down to the 30-minute now. Again, for value gap, right? Bullish for value gap. So it's kind of leading to that bullish bias. Now, am I going to say, oh, my bias is bullish? No, because it's over. It's not, it's the day before I'm trading. So I'm just kind of just getting a feel for it, really. I'm not really putting a title on it. So I'm kind of saying maybe it's bullish, maybe it's bearish, or it looks bullish, it looks bearish. So 30-minute bullish, 4 hour. It's kind of like all over the place, but for me, bullish. 1 hour bullish, 15-minute. If it breaks past that, bullish, but probably will. Down to 5-minute. Kind of consolidating. There's this big freaking gap right here. That was just kind of weird. But all of these just kind of lead me to a thought of it going into a bullish market tomorrow. So if anything changes, I will let you guys know, but I'm going to resume this video, like I'll say around I want to say like 6 or 7 tomorrow morning. Right, I'm not going to trade at 6 or 7. I'm just going to look and see what price is doing, and then I'm going to take my trade around 8:30 through 10:30. Latest I'm going to be staying in a trade is until 11:30. Right, I'm not taking any trades past 10:30 because I've back tested and kind of just realized that 8:30 to 10:30 is when I make my best trades. So, I guess I'll just resume what I've got going on tomorrow and then fill you guys in on whether price changes or does whatever. So, all right. So today is Monday, December 9th. I'm just gonna go over my trade recap. I made a video prior yesterday about how I went over my bias and how I came to that, and barbecue chicken from there. But that was around. It's like right over here. Right over here. And then what? What the? Oh, all right. I don't know why that happened. Anyways, so this was around 8:30 last night when I got on and just kind of looked over about my bias and stuff like that. I marked out some draws on liquidity, and it ended up just pushing through those draws on liquidity, which kind of led me to my bias. And I kind of talked about that in the prior part of this video. Just kind of marked out like the highs and lows really, and kind of just use those. Like if it pushes past these, I'm just gonna, expect it to keep chasing liquidity, right? This was kind of a good trade. I kind of got out in a perfect time, really. I should have had my take profit about over here, but it started consolidating, so I got out. I took it around 9:30 through 10:30 because I have my math class and I can't really check my computer, so I kind of just set my stop loss, set my take profit, and I go from there. Anyways, my confluence I took for this trade today was an order block. Really, this is a good order block trade today. Wasn't gonna take it off of this fair value gap, but it never hit. But this is our low. Oh, wait, this is our low right here. So it kind of went from our low to our high. Kind of went below equilibrium. So that little range right here. So kind of used that, kind of didn't. But this sort of order block here, it was on the 3-minute too. I had a break of structure. Over here I had a break of structure. And it closed above. So I kind of was like, okay, sick, right? And then kept going up. Big selling pressure here and then broke structure again. So I marked out this order block. It beautiful, like great reaction, taps off of this order block. It was a great reaction. So kind of led me like, all right, I've got this reaction. Let me take it, right? Take it, ended up making like $1,000 or something like that. Great trade, great pinpoint price action. Just went to equilibrium, order block, went aligned with my daily bias. Everything was good there. And then it just kind of just dumping right now. It's kind of flipping right now, but I'm not going to pay attention because I am not going to trade right now because I don't trade. This was a perfect trade from 9:30 to 10:30. This is a golden zone for me, like golden area for me. That's where I make all my good trades. We can kind of look in the 15 minutes, see if I kind of went to any other confluences, but I haven't looked, so I don't know. It looks like it didn't. It just kind of went. But if you see here, it did sweep this liquidity up in here. So that's what caused it. Break of structure. all of that good stuff. But pretty simple trade today. I took 3 confluences. And yeah, it made me a grand. But I'm gonna go in tomorrow probably bullish just because of all this accumulation over here, breaking structure, all that to the upside. But yeah, that was the daily recap and the bias. So I hope you guys liked it. Probably will make another one of these videos just because it's good on content. So yeah.